We renovated our RV top to bottom for full-time family travel.
After 1 year on the road, what's held up and what has not? We're Morgan, Chris, Jonah and Jude. We ditched the 9 to 5 to spend more time with each other after years of missing out.
We're exploring every state in the US, creating experiences that bring us closer together the further we step outside of our comfort zones.
Where are we now?
Hi Explorers! Greetings from
Michigan.
We are still here in my hometown because we have so much work to do on our RV. We've been RVing full-time for about a year now, and we've found out that they're just really not meant for full-time living.
There's Bellboy. So I'm gonna kind of walk through and show you some of the things that need some attention. This is one that needs attention. I don't know if you can tell from this angle, but when I close this awning, because of some of the wind we've had, this does not bend all the way back in. When we retract the awning, this is what happens. So it's going up, it's going in. I think it's going in. That noise probably isn't very good. So that's it, that's as far as it goes. So if you look out here, you can see that up there is bent. It's supposed to go all the way nice and flush. See, look at that. It is not going in flush at all. So we had some pretty high winds when we were traveling. And the awning was out on a few occasions, and when that wind goes underneath the awning and lifts it up and it slams down, that is what has done that. This needs to be fixed. I've already started taking off the old one. We've been using a bungee cord in the meantime. It's messy, bear with me. The flooring's been pretty decent, pretty durable. However, the slide out has not held up. The slide out raises up. You can see it here. And so we're gonna have to jack up the slide out from the outside and re-glue those pieces down to hold up the blind, which is also the projector screen. These clips are broken off the projector screen. I might have to put new clips here. When you're going down the road, it is constantly bumping, and this thing is up and down, and I should probably just take it down on travel days because it's definitely gonna smash a window one day. Need to reseal this sink faucet, very, very loose. Again, going down the road, bumping down the road, it's to be expected, I think. This mirror, okay, touch wood, has not moved. It's fixed to the wall. I used some really strong Velcro as well to make sure that it didn't move, but it is on a big giant screw as well. But the Velcro, that thing has not budged an inch, which I'm surprised about. Bathroom. This, it's very brittle, probably because of the age. It started chipping away here. I just put this on as we're traveling, but cracking. I might have to order a new one of those. Same thing, brittle. Just, you can just see it crumbling right there. Door does not close anymore. It does not close anymore. That is because the actual hinges have got bent. You can see I'm moving right there. So I got to take that door off, bend those hinges back so the door can shut nicely. These drawers are constantly falling out. I've got to get some new clips in the backs of those. Right here, put some duct tape on it either side to make sure that it didn't break on the road. These things, definitely not holding up. I mean, we're putting it into paper thin walls. I don't know what I was really thinking by doing that. We need something more sturdy. Screen, right here, you can see is broken. TV has held up. Surprisingly, hasn't fallen. No mishaps with the TV. Again, knock on wood. Bed, mattress, gotta go. Has been uncomfortable. It's super thin now, and I think it folds up pretty easy. But we gotta get a new one. We put up these sheer curtains. This one has come down again. into a paper thin wall. Sorry. Up here, we also had another lip that was on here that ran across, and that did not hold up with the glue, so we'll find some more substantial glue and get that on. Microwave's good, oven's been good, fridge has been good. Like, I mean, definitely use a clean. Look at that, it's disgusting. When we were on the road, we had a new tire. This tire here is new. I think the tires still have some decent tread in them right now. I know that I have to be greasing things, and I have not greased anything at all. And I'll be honest, I don't really know what I'm doing when it comes to greasing anything on a truck or an RV, so I'm gonna have to YouTube that and look that up. Propane's held up pretty good, no problems with that. One thing I did notice when we were traveling was this here coming down. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a big gap right here. Probably from all the motion up and down. I probably want to just clear this out and recaulk it in there so that's all closed and sealed away. Did put on another new 30 amp plug because that fizzled out on us when we were in Kansas. Put on another new city water connection when we were traveling because that came loose from over tightening it. You can over tighten your water easily. When we were in Arizona and we did the house swap with the res, the land was kind of bumpy going in and out, and so the back of these, they clip the ground, and this one's bent. You can see like it's supposed to be straight, it is leaning this way. Hasn't been a huge issue, but been nice to take it off and refix it. And then we just have things like light bulbs need to be replaced on outside and on the inside. Should probably get to work and get these things figured out.
Thank you so much for watching. We really hope that you found this helpful.
We are very excited to get back on the road, but even more excited to get back on the road with everything functioning and working in the RV.
That will definitely be nice. And instead of making one long, big, boring video about things that might not pertain to you, we thought that we might be able to serve you a little bit better if we made little shorts out of each renovation that we did. Just really short ones, show you how to do it really quickly. Let us know in the comments if that interests you, because if it does, we'll spend the whole week doing that for you. We'll see you next week.
Cheers. This week's top fashion trend is the throw your hat on backwards look. Great for people with long hair. Yes. The
Pilled.
The pilled look is very in this season. The distressed look is very in this season.
That's really stressed out, distressed.
Yes. We have not done laundry this week, as you can see, but we are making progress on the RV. Hi, Export. Hi, Export.
Are you being serious?
Hi, Explorers.
Greetings from
Michigan. Sorry.
You ready? 1. Ew. We have to.
No. Hi, Explorer.
Oh my God, are you just so excited?
I'm not, no.
Hi,
Explorers.
Greetings from
Montana. Hi, Explorers.
Greetings from
Sorry, I'm sorry. I promise the next one's the next one. Okay, go ahead. I'm good.